Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing how you can make a vinyl decal with an ombre look. If you have scrap vinyl, this is a fun way to use that up. I think these are so neat and I'm excited to show you how I put this together. If you are new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribed and hit the bell if you don't want to miss any of my videos. I'm in my Cricut Design Space canvas. I'm going to go over to my uploads, then upload my SVG. I already have this uploaded from my downloads. I've talked about my Patreon account on my YouTube channel a lot, but I just wanted to mention that this is one of the SVGs available if you sign up for my Patreon membership. You can use these for personal or commercial use, and I'll have a link down below in the description box if you are interested. I am going to size this. I already measured my notebook and I want to make it 4.5 inches for the width. So I'll double click in here and type that in. I'll let it just automatically adjust the height. You can see there's all these layers over here. It is grouped together now, so that's why I'm able to move it all around. But if I click make it, it'll be all jumbled up on the mat. So you would want to click attach. What I'm actually going to do though is click weld, because it makes it one layer, and sometimes for me it makes it easier to look at that, but most of the time I will just click on attach. I'm going to be using 3 different colors of vinyl for this image to give it an ombre look. I'm going to be cutting 3 different colors of vinyl and I'm going to have them be 1 inch apart. So just to give myself a visual, I am going to go to my shapes and grab a square. Then I'm going to make it 1 inch for the height. And for the width, I want to make it a little bit bigger than this, so it's 4.5. I'm just going to make it 5.5. So I'll select unlock, then choose 5.5. I'm going to bring it over here, and I am just doing this to help me decide how many strips I need. So I'm going to go up to duplicate. I'm going to make sure this is lined up. Then I'm just going to put this directly underneath it. And I'll hit duplicate until it's covered and see how many strips I'll need. You don't really have to do this part, you can skip past it, but for me it just helps. So I'll need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go through and delete these, then I'm going to click make it. I'm using adhesive vinyl, so I don't need to mirror. I'll click on continue. I'll be using my maker machine, but you can use your Explorer Air 2 as well. You can actually also use your Cricut Joy machine, but it can't be wider than 4.25 inches. Now I'll just select on vinyl. Here's the blank notebook that I'll be adding the vinyl to. I found this on Amazon. They sell several colors, and I will just link this down below. First, I'm going to cut my vinyl into strips. It doesn't have to be the exact same size, but I did all of mine around 1 inch. I'm using 2 orange colors and 1 yellow color. The vinyl I'm using is Oracal 651. I usually like to buy these 12 by 12 sheets at Michael's for $1.99 each. I also wanted to choose similar colors so it'll give it an ombre look. Now I'm just lining them up on my Cricut mat. I line them as close to each other as I can. After that, I load the mat into the Cricut machine and it'll cut out the design. For this project, you'll want to weed on the Cricut mat. Usually I'll take the vinyl off the Cricut mat and weed it on my self-healing mat, but that would be too difficult with the different strips of vinyl. I decided to start weeding the inside of the letters first. Sometimes that helps me to not lose letters. Some of the weeding was a little tricky because it wasn't just one vinyl sheet, but even though I sped this video up, I did it a lot slower just to help me not lose any of the pieces. Now that everything is weeded, I'm going to add transfer paper right on top. I'm using Expressions vinyl transfer paper. This works so well. I would highly recommend it. You'll want a good transfer paper to pick the vinyl up, and I will just link this down below if you're interested. I make sure to burnish it down really well with my scraper tool. Normally I rub the back of my decal and pull the backing of the vinyl away, and it didn't work to do that with this, so it makes it just a little trickier to pick up the vinyl. But I like to keep using my scraper tool as I'm picking up the vinyl, and that worked really well. Next, I'll just place it on my notebook and peel off the transfer tape. Here's the final project. This was so much fun to make. I love how you can do any colors and design that you want. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel. I would love to have you here. And don't forget to check out my Patreon account in the description box below.